Recently, my wife and I went to the Sapporo Snow Festival. One of the main venues of the Sapporo Snow Festival is located in Odori Park in the center of Sapporo. Here we found a fascinating world of snow and ice stretching across approximately 1.5 kilometers. We could enjoy different attractions such as the amazing huge snow sculptures and the popular light projection mapping shows. Among the sculptures, we found hundreds of them, all of them inspired by all types of things like movies, famous people, landmark buildings, or simply ideas or concepts that the artists wanted to express. This festival is huge. Over 2 million people came to see these incredible creations this year. This was really a winter wonderland. This festival took place entirely outside, and the temperatures during this time of the year fell well below freezing and ranged between -1 and -8 degrees Celsius. So it was extremely important that we wear the right type of clothing and footwear. Buildings are well heated inside, so wearing layers that can be put on and taken off easily are the best you can do. Wearing a proper winter jacket, a thick sweater or a fleece, cold and windproof pants, warm inner layers for upper and lower body kept us warm while we were exploring the festival. In my opinion, having the proper footwear is the most important element. Make sure that you have snow boots, and when you are walking on the streets, walk carefully, since you are basically walking on ice. We like Sapporo so much that we are going back soon.